This foal is only 2 days old. It is so adorable and has a heart-shaped marking on its forehead. So we named it Heart because of that. After having its fill of its mother's milk, the foal spends the whole day in a sweet sleep, just like a newborn human baby. The foal, full from its mother's milk, lay down for another nap, but the buzzing flies disturbed its rest and interrupted its sleep. Do you think the name Heart suits the foal? What name would you suggest? Write it in the comments. Although the pasture here is good, the drinking water is far away, so every day we carry and bring water to give them.